Hey gang, so this is Austin with Excursion Van Builds. I'm going to do a little tour of our latest build. We've got the fold down table here, and these folks actually did the jerry can water system that you can access from the outside through the table here to fill or empty these. Slide that. You've got some controls here and a battery monitor. Got our typical flip up countertop extension. There is some lighting in here as well, and a fold-away sink with a cutting board here. We've did a small shelf and an upper storage cabinet, as well as a custom bench with seating and a USB on the side here. They went with laminated green cabinets, so we faced everything in green as well as the walls, and upholstered the ceiling for this look, and we elevated the fridge here. This is a Vitrifrigo fridge. We've also got several drawers here that latch closed and are soft close. You can access the sink from this side as well. Turn on your lights or your pump here. And then we've also got upper storage on both sides. This bed is one of our Murphy beds, so right now it's in the up position that allows you to move through the space. This is a north-south bed with some storage on either side. You could also fit a king here if you wanted a little bit more space for sleeping. Essentially, you just unstrap the bed here, let that down, and then you rotate your mattress around here. You fold it out like so, and now you've got back into bed mode. That's everything. We're in Portland, Oregon. We do a ton of cool van builds, so like and follow if you want to see what we're working on.